What's up, guys? It's Movie Horror here, back for Blu-ray and 4K Tuesday. Now, today's next unboxing will be for a 2023 movie about Jesus that was released I believe in March. I could be wrong, but it's for the movie based on a true story called The Jesus Revolution on Blu-ray. Beautiful artwork on the slipcover, and it's of course Blu-ray plus DVD plus digital HD. So yeah, there's the front, your spine, and on your back if you want to read details and special features. Got 2 discs. So disc 1, DVD, disc 2, Blu-ray. So yeah, movie collectors, that was my quick unboxing of Jesus Revolution on Blu-ray. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Seriously, thank you. Leave me a comment section below, letting me know what's your favorite 2023 film you've seen in theaters so far. Thank you.